Very nice. Sir, I just wanna ask this one. You guys put something in here too? This one here? How about this one?
Yeah,
No?
I gotta go underneath.
Oh, are you going underneath? Thank you. Okay, it goes underneath, guys. Kaya pala. Guys, magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Ayan, current location natin dito tayo sa Calgary, Alberta. Dito sa Royal Truck Club. Naka-line up tayo para magpa-greasing naman sa ating unit. Kasi importante yan. Maintenance. Sabi na nila, dito tayo dun. Royal Truck Club. Yun, likod tayo. May truck dyan ah. Lub! Salub tayo, lub. Palub tayo ron. Bakit paatras naman ang ginawa dyan? Mga pinatras. Okay, antayin lang natin umangat guys. Papuntahan ko doon. Ayun dito. Hello.
Hey, just me a second.
Yeah, for sure. No worries. Pagresingan natin lahat-lahat. Dami ng mga kalakalawang ha. Alright, santayin natin sila. Grazing naman, grazing. Natin yung tinitira nila, paano nila tirahin. Is it okay to see? Is it okay to look?
It's a great job.
Yo, what are you doing? Is it okay if I look? Okay, thank you. Yan. So isa dito, isa doon. 1, 2, yun. Dalawa. At least makikita natin dalawa. Siyempre yan, pangatlo na yan. Yung 5. Very nice. So 5. Hello. Teka, tawagan kita kasi nagpapag-racing ako ng truck. Okay, so isa dyan. Okay. Ito. Yan. 6 7. Yan. Ito. Yun lang naman yung tinitira niya dyan. Oh yun, nandun pa sa taas. Yun. Doon sa ilalim, tapos doon sa ilalim. Sir, I just wanna ask this one. You guys put something in here too? This one here? How about this one?
Yeah,
No?
I gotta go underneath.
Oh, are you going underneath? Thank you. Okay, hey, it goes underneath, guys. Kaya pala. Marami sa loob.
I can do like 15 minutes somewhere.
Tapos doon sa ilalim, alam nila kung nasaan. Dalawa sa ilalim siguro. Nandun siya sa ilalim. Sayang kung mayroon sana silang ano sa ilalim, guys. Sayang guys kung meron sana silang yung papasok pa o yung nasa ilalim yung ganyan, hindi nila sinisilong. Pwede tayo sa ilalim siguro para makita natin yung ginagawa nila at ma-memorize natin. Yan, tapusin lang yan. Tapos ang isa kong gustong ipagawa rito, guys, ito. Sana hindi nila makalimutan ito. Ito. Kasi ito, nipple ito eh. Ay, hindi ito nipple, kundi ano to. Parang ito. Parang needle. Yo, tama oh. Ayan oh. Pagrasa. Pinuno-puno. Yun. Ayos na oh. Ayan, gusto ko. Nagdidrip. Ayan oh. Yun, nandun oh. Puno. Lube grease. Ayos. Nalo. Panalo. Yeah! Ito naman sa kabila, tinitira na nila. Change oil yan. Ayos, tapos na agad. Done? Oh, yeah. This one here, because sometimes they forget. Can I? Is that it done?
I'm not sure. Probably started it.
This one here, can you just do? Sometimes they forget this one. This, because mine is a different kind of Volvo. This one is needle instead of nipple. It's needle. This one.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Yes, my friend. Thank you. Yan, kakalimutan nila yan guys eh. Yan ang inaano ko kasi ito, ano to eh. Yeah, that's sometimes they forget. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Alright. Ayan, okay na guys. Masaya na tayo dyan. Masaya na talaga. Okay. Happy. Oh, right.
That one doesn't change.
Yeah. Done? You want me to close it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Just bayaran na lang natin. Just the bill na lang. Only. Okay. Bill na lang tayo guys. Bill. Paiba-iba yung tao dito. Thank you. Why you guys is not the same people? The last time I come here, I think it's a different one.
We have
Ano to?
seven people, 8 people who work here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Your phone number? What's the company?
Lakay Transport. Alright. Right
There you go. Okay, thank you.
$19?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's it? I thought it's too expensive.
Oh no, it's only 19.
For the greasing?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
There you go.
Thank you, sir. Picturean ko nga ito. Have a good day, sir. Thank you. Guys, ayan. Tapos ang serbisyo o ano natin kay Cordapia. Alayan mo, 19 lang pala to plus tax. Ayan o. Iwanti mo natin kasi may darating na customer nila. Balik tayo sa truck natin or trailer. Iatras na natin. Lube and grease 19 lang. Anuin muna natin para hindi may scrap. Ano to? Pababayin muna natin yung airbag. Yan, tapos iangat natin. Yun, binuhat na niya. Okay, atras na. Tag-test. Yan. abutan natin ang truck. Woohoo! At saka trailer, truck and trailer. Tara, punta na tayo sa dideliveran natin. Okay. Alright guys. Woohoo! Tawagan ko si Boss Relo. Ayan guys, $19 lang, $19.99. 20 kamo na lang ito. Mura lang pala ang pagrasa rito. Wow! Ayan guys, oh. $19.99. Yun. Loyalty earn 0.57. May loyalty earn pa pala ako. Ayan, oh, guys. Ayos. Mura lang, murang-mura lang ang pagrasa. Ayan, kaya kano? Ayaw mong ikaw mismo magrasa sa truck mo, pagrasa mo na lang. Kasi murang-mura lang naman yung pagrasa. 20 lang, nakita nyo naman yung resibo guys. Anyway guys, at least kahit pa paano napagawa natin itong truck natin na paservisan natin. So paano guys, thank you for watching. Ingat kayo lagi sa ating pagmamaneho at saka every daily basis. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. Peace out.
Lakai Tracker.